Let's improve our Turkish with Turkish series. Don't go anywhere.
Sakın hiçbir yere gitme.
Sakın hiçbir yere gitme.
In this scene,
Sakın.
emphasizes don't, similar to never.
Hiçbir yere
Means to anywhere.
gitme.
Means don't go.
Sakın hiçbir yere gitme.
You don't go either. Stay here.
Sen de gitme, kal burada.
Sen de gitme. Kal burada.
In this scene,
Sen de.
means you too, indicating that the person being addressed should also do something or not do something.
Gitme.
Means don't go.
Kal.
Means stay and
Burada.
means here.
Sen de gitme. Kal burada.
What happened? Have you made your choice?
Ne oldu? Yaptın mı seçimini?
Ne oldu? Yaptın mı seçimini?
In this scene,
Ne?
means what, asking for information about something.
Oldu?
Means happened, indicating an event that has occurred.
Yaptın mı?
Means did you make? Asking if the person has done something.
Seçimini.
Means your choice.
Ne oldu? Yaptın mı seçimini?
I will tell you on the way.
Ben yolda anlatırım sana.
Ya ben yolda anlatırım sana.
In these scene,
Ben.
means I refers to the speaker, the person who will provide the information.
Yolda.
Means on the way, indicating the time and place when the information will be given.
Anlatırım.
Means will tell or will explain, although it is present tense in Turkish. It is used to indicate a future action in this context.
Sana.
Means to you, refers to the person being spoken to, the recipient of the information.
Ya ben yolda anlatırım sana.
Have a good trip. Drive safely.
İyi yolculuklar. Dikkatli kullan.
İyi yolculuklar. Dikkatli kullan.
In these scene,
İyi.
means good, expressing a positive wish.
Yolculuklar.
Means trips, referring to journeys or travels. Although it is plural in Turkish, it is often used in a singular sense in English.
Dikkatli.
Means safely, indicating to do something with caution and care.
Kullan.
Literally means use, imperative form, but in this context, it is understood as drive, because it is a common phrase used to tell someone to drive carefully. It implies using the vehicle with caution.
İyi yolculuklar. Dikkatli kullan.